Imagine a world where cargo delivery is as simple as the click of a button. Welcome to the future of freight, Express Cargo. Our door-to-door service is revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals import and export goods. At the heart of our service is convenience. Picture this: no more navigating confusing customs regulations, no more endless paperwork, no more waiting for days at the port. Express Cargo takes care of everything. Our team of experts handles all the logistics, from collection to customs clearance to final delivery. But convenience is just the beginning. With Express Cargo, you can expect speed like never before. Whether by air, sea, or road, we ensure your cargo reaches its destination swiftly. We understand that in business, time is money. That's why we're committed to delivering your goods in the shortest time possible. And let's not forget reliability. With Express Cargo, you never have to worry about the safety of your goods. We treat every item, whether commercial or household, with the utmost care and respect. From China to Dubai to America, your cargo is in safe hands. Our commitment to convenience, speed, and reliability has made us a go-to choice for importers from all around the world. Whether you're shipping a single household item or a massive commercial consignment, we have the expertise and the infrastructure to get it to its destination safely and on time. So why wait? Experience the future of freight with Express Cargo. Connect with us today via call, WhatsApp, Facebook, or visit our website. Remember, with Express Cargo, your cargo is our priority. And we're just a click or call away. Call us at 923-332-11151 or WhatsApp us at 923-213-893-692. You can also find us on Facebook at facebook.com/expresscargo or visit our website at www.expresscargoservice.site. Welcome to Express Cargo. Welcome to a world of convenience, speed, and reliability.